Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a blow-off valve on R33 Skyline. I think it's the same application for any RB25. And I'm also going to show you a couple videos of engine exhaust, the way it sounds driving with the stock blow-off valve and also with the TurboSmart once I put her in. Here's the location of the blow-off valve, stock one. What you need is the 8mm socket, you need a 12mm, pliers, and a ratchet. And a super easy job, should take you a couple minutes. And I got a TurboSmart blow-off valve. This is the box that are common. Let's open it up and see what we got. There comes with instructions, you can find them online. Sticker, foam cover. This is it's a compact version with the K, so should be direct fit. We got a clamp. Comes with the clamp and some hardware or some washers and gaskets, I guess. I'm gonna get my pliers, pop this hose off real quick. I'm gonna get my 12mm. There's a bolt on top and same bolt right on the bottom, so let's break those open. It has a gasket in here, so the new kit comes with the new gasket, so we'll just swap it in there. Don't lose your nuts. There's the other nut over here, if you can see. Just plug it in there and start twisting. Let's get that 8mm and take this one off, loosen it up. Here's the old gasket. Put her aside here. So here's the stock one, here's the aftermarket one. Basic same setup, except you gotta open it on this side. I think this is gonna be facing up. I'm gonna check over here, make sure it's clean, no debris. That's what it bolts on. So I'm just gonna work my way back, start with the bottom hose, slide this in. So I'm gonna grab one of my nuts and the gasket. Let's put it back together. Get this nut, put it in a hole. Now I'm gonna grab my other nut and put it from the back, from the bottom. I got the back bolts tight, this tight. Grab your hose that was on the original one, plug it in here. And the back nut over here also spins, so that's how you adjust how much air comes out of it. I'm pretty sure. So let's throw this clamp back on. Where it goes here. Okay, we got the blow off installed, all done. I'm not a big sticker guy, but I threw the sticker up over here. This car came with a bunch of stickers already, so why not extra couple horsepower. Okay, the car is on. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, sounds fun. Let's go inside, give it some revs. Sounds exciting, let's see. Cool. I guess we'll take it for a drive and then see how it sounds. We can probably also adjust I hope you enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.